Let us start solving the problem number 20 here. Right, Ram start walking at 10 a.m. at a speed of 3 km per hour and reached his destination 12:30 p.m. How much distance he covered? Right, we need to find the distance. Correct, we need to find the distance. They have given speed. Speed is equal to how much? That is 3 km per hour. Right, now what is the time? Time we need to find out now. So he started at 10 a.m. and he reached at 12:30 p.m. Now subtract it, that is 12:30 minus 10, that is 30 and 2, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. Time is equal to 2 hours 30 minutes, which is nothing but 2.5 hours, which is, if you simplify, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. Right, 5 by 2 hour. Now we need to find distance. Correct. To find the distance, what we need to do, that is distance is equal to speed into time. What is speed? Speed is, they have given 3 km. What is time? That is 5 by 2. Simplify it. Now 5 3 is 15 by 2, which is nothing but 15 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14, 1.5. So 7.5 km is going to cover from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. at a speed of 3 km per hour. Right, the answer is this.